How to turn off two-step verification on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can disable two-step verification on WhatsApp. So if you no longer need this extra layer of security and want to reset your PIN, just follow the simple steps, and without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from the drop down menu, simply tap on Settings. And once you are in your settings section, simply tap on Account, which can be seen at the top. Now from here under the Account section, simply scroll down and tap on two-step verification. Now here in this section you can see the option labeled as turn off. So simply tap on it and a confirmation window will pop up. So simply tap on turn off again to confirm, and that's it. By doing that, you have successfully disabled two-step verification on WhatsApp. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.